Hey everybody, it's been a long time, but I got a little something from Pandora. Let's see if I can open this. Ooh, here it is. So I have gotten quite a lot of things since we last spoke. A lot of jewelry stuff, but I just haven't had the time. I have a new job, and I am unable to really have time to do everything, but I have time for this. I got a jewelry care kit, half off because I'm a gold member. The other day, last week, I was in a hurry and I was wearing my Pandora bangle and I had taken it off and put it on in the morning and I didn't clasp it right and I lost 2 charms and one of them was a gift. So I had to replace it. This is what started the whole thing. So as I was looking on the site, I saw some other things. So I had to replace my triple mahjong charm bangle, that my friend had gotten me. Luckily, they still had it in stock. So I got that. Let me see if I can show you here. So it's a triple mahjong. This fell off my bangle. I was so upset. She got this for me as a gift. We all play mahjong now, and the fact that I lost it really upset me. In the back of it's got little red, they're thick little pieces of silver too. I was so mad that I lost this. So, because I didn't have clips on my bangle. So, that's not gonna happen again. And then I also lost the glow-in-the-dark Halloween skull charm, which I was gonna get, but I decided that I wanted to get the new mini skull charm. I really liked that. So I'm gonna put that on my bracelet. And I also got something else. They're having a really good sale on some of their jewelry. So I decided that I wanted to get this. This is their white gold half carat Pandora Lab diamond bracelet. I already have 2 of their Pandora Lab diamond bracelets. Let me see if I can adjust them. I have this one in yellow gold and I have this one in sterling silver, and I love them. And they're both 0.15 carat. So this one is a half carat. I'm really excited to put this and add this to my collection. Let's see how it fits. So far, I've been very satisfied with the quality of Pandora. This was originally very expensive. So this was down at a deep discount. And I was very surprised at how much of a sale it was on for. So this is going to take me quite a long time to put on, but let's look at the stone. Look how big that stone is. Now I'm going to stack this. I knew that was going to happen. I'm going to stack this with my other diamonds. That really pops. So that's going to look beautiful. So just a quick unboxing. I replaced my mahjong charm that I lost. I substituted a little tiny skull charm for the glow-in-the-dark skull charm for my Halloween charms. I have a feeling that the glow-in-dark skull will be back next year, but I don't know how popular these little ones are going to be. So I decided to get those again. So I'm going to go put these on my bracelet and struggle to put that diamond one on, and I'll catch you all later. Have a great Tuesday. Thanks, everybody.